doing? You have a edamame bean?
You squeeze it down
Mm-hmm.
Take the bean and what do you do with it?
and you dip it in the water
Uh-huh.
Why do you dip it in the water?
because you dip it.
Okay.
And then what'd you do?
And we wipe it off
And then what?
and then we eat it.
Mm. And that's how you eat your bean.
Mm.
That's the proper way to eat edamame.
You
Why
see?
do you have to squeeze it off?
Because he thinks it's in a pod.
Where did that thing go?
There it is.
And then
Here, use that one. That's a big one.
that's a big one.
Yeah.
Pop already, hey listen, Pop already
I
squeezed it,
that one.
and he wiped it in the water, and he wiped it off. So now all you have to do is, he already squeezed it, and then he dunked it in the water. Yeah, all you have to do is eat it. He took care of all the other steps for you.
See, I cleaned them for you. You want another one? No. Wait. There you go. You can just eat it now.
Awesome.
How is that?
Good.
All the squeezed remnants of the beans right there, huh?
Want another? I'm gonna squeeze it. I'm gonna wipe it off. And now you can eat it.